Hi everybody, I am so excited because obviously I love plants, and today we are opening this new arrival. They came in styrofoam packaging. Wait until you see this. So in here we have these gorgeous hexagonal wall hangers. So you can propagate your plants. You can use this as a vase. You could put a little tchotchke in it and display it on your wall. So let's head over and hang these up. I'm so excited about adding these into my wall space. These propagation station planters come in a 3-pack and are size large. They use a hexagonal shape design to add a stylish and modern sense for your household style. So they're great for your home or your office decorations to display your plants, helping to beautify or purify your home or office. Installation is such a breeze. I was so impressed. All you have to do is hammer in the included little hooks into the wall and then just hang the glass part right onto the hook and you're done. It takes a few seconds max and your space looks completely transformed. They're so great for most small plants, for air plants, as flower arrangement vases, as other things. They're just great displays, and hanging them in the house is beautiful. You can even change the watercolor with some coloring or put some cobble in it or stones, forming a small ecosystem. It's such a great choice for regular home decor or using as a decoration prop for weddings, parties, your coffee shop, anything you can really think of. So I think these look absolutely beautiful. They're such a clean and pretty and sophisticated way of lifting my plants up, getting them on the wall. I love that they're glass. I love that I can see the roots like as they grow through it, and I just love propagating my plants because I think they make such great gifts for my friends. But you could easily use these for terrariums. You could use them for just like little knickknacks. They're so cute. So I definitely recommend these King by hexagonal glass terrariums that hang on the wall, and setup was a breeze. I could not recommend these more.